Good morning. Today I am going to show you how to use Opera Cloud mobile app. First of all, you should head open. You can see here when you open Opera Cloud mobile, you can see here this is arrivals, this is departure rooms, in-house room, and here you can check getting start. You can see manual how to use also. Just go next, showing next, showing all the details: inspect, clean, dirty, pickup, out of order, out of service, and housekeeping icons. Do not disturb, complete, unresolved, and makeup room, linen change, attendant in room, pending, sleep, skip. And here showing also in mobile also, and in computer also is showing same like this: occupied room, vacant room, arrival room, departure room, check-in room, check-out room, move in from, move out to, back-to-back reservation. Abdul's children, dress, maintenance, timer, crew reservation. Example this: if you want to use mobile, if you want to put example 101, if you want to put vacant clean, this is actually this occupied bedroom, you can see here, and this is departure rooms, this one departure, this 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 is departure 2 p.m. is showing also timing, this one also, and this is out of order. You can see here this is out of order room. Example, if you want to change any rooms, you can click here and put finger, and then this you can see here showing clean and inspect. You can change also, and if you want to put out of order, out of service, and more also, you can see vacant, priorities. And all the room. Example, if you want to put out of order, now this is out of order room, and if you want to put occupied or manage, also you can see here, you can put any. This is, you can see arrival rooms.